Hi, I'm Dr. Barbara Shaw with Colorado State University Extension, and I'm here today to talk about STEM Power Kits and the specific lessons that we have developed to help you present fun and engaging science to your students. This is the first grade physical science kit, solids, liquids, and gases. Oh my! This is one of the first activities where the students are just looking at liquids, and they're adding liquid food color to water. They're looking at the color change when they combine red and yellow, yellow and blue, blue and red to see what kinds of colors they get. It's to set up what we can predict, what we expect, to show the difference between a mixture and then later on reactions. But the focus is always on solids, liquids, and gases, so it's looking at these different things in different states of matter. One of the things they can do is that they draw on coffee filters with water-soluble markers, and then they take a pipe cleaner and they poke it through the coffee filter, put it in the cup, and then the water wicks up on the pipe cleaner, and then it's actually going to separate the different colors in the markers so that you get this sort of rainbow effect on there. And what it's looking at is how the different liquids, different dyes, are actually made up of solid components in a dye form that is not able to separate. So they can look at separating these different liquids into different colors. Let's see, one of the other activities is they're actually doing a reaction. And in this reaction, they use vinegar and baking soda, our friends, but they do this in a confined area. In addition, they add bromothymol blue, which is an indicator of whether a base or an acid is present. So you can see the indicator, bromothymol blue, appears to be a dark green when it's in a neutral form. When you add an acid to it, I will show you, it changes to one color, so it will become a yellow. If you put it in with a base, it becomes blue or green, depending on how much of a base it is, how on the pH scale it goes towards the base level. So they do that in a baggie. The baggie confines the experiment, and then not only that, but they see the formation of gas because the baggie expands and blows up like a balloon. They hear fizzing because of the reaction that's occurring. Also, when they're feeling it with their fingers, they can feel it turning cold, so it's an endothermic reaction. Each one of these different units has something specifically addressing careers in science, technology, engineering, and math. And then finally, if there's any kind of data sheet that goes along with it, that will be included, easy for you to copy and hand out to your students. I hope that you had fun with these STEM Power Kits. I hope your students had a blast learning more about science, and best of all, I hope those underlying concepts that the standards address have been easily met.